Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for every intraday trader. Balancing work and life. Trading can be stressful, but with the right strategies, you can maintain a healthy work-life balance. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set a routine. Start your day with a consistent morning routine to get your mind and body ready for the trading day. Whether it's a workout, meditation, or a healthy breakfast, find what works for you. Tip number 2. Define your trading hours. Stick to specific trading times to avoid burnout. Just like a regular job, have a clear start and end time to your trading day. Tip number 3. Take regular breaks. Sitting in front of screens for hours can be exhausting. Short breaks help you stay refreshed and focused. Step outside, stretch, or grab a snack. Tip number 4. Manage stress. Trading can be intense, so it's important to have stress management techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or even a quick workout can make a big difference. Tip number 5. Separate work and personal life. When the trading day is over, close your laptop and step away from the screens. Spend quality time with family, friends, or indulge in hobbies you love. Tip number 6. Stay connected. Trading can be isolating. Connect with other traders, or join a trading community to share experiences and support each other. Tip number 7. Keep learning. Continuous education helps you stay on top of your game and reduces the stress of the unknown. Read books, watch videos, and keep improving your skills. Balancing work and life as an intraday trader is all about finding what works best for you. With these tips, you can manage stress and enjoy a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Happy trading!